Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to configure a Spectrum router to use WPA2 security in 2026. Now, WPA2 is one of the most commonly used Wi-Fi security standards, and it helps protect your network from the unauthorized access. While many newer routers support WPA3, some of the devices still work best with WPA2, so you may need to switch or configure this setting manually. So here is how you can do it. First of all, you need to make sure that your phone or your computer is connected to your Spectrum Wi-Fi network. In order to check that out, simply open your phone or your computer, and here you need to look for this Wi-Fi icon. Over here, there should be the Spectrum Wi-Fi network. So once it is connected successfully, simply open any of your web browsers. It can be Chrome, Edge or Safari. After opening it, in the search bar, you just have to simply search for your router's login address. So it can look something like this. When you search for this type of IP address, you will be shown the login page where you need to provide your router admin username and your password in order to get access to your dashboard. So when you are inside the dashboard, you need to look for the section which is called wireless Wi-Fi settings, or sometimes it can be security. So when you are inside these sections, you just have to look for the controls of your network name, password and the encryption type. So the interface can look something like this. So here simply open the security mode or encryption option for your Wi-Fi network. From the security list, simply choose the WPA2 PSK AES network, or if in your case it is WPA3, simply select that. Now make sure that your Wi-Fi password is strong and then simply save it. The router may briefly restart the wireless network after applying these changes. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.